Again, we are all excited. Excited na po ang lahat sa pinakahihintay ng lahat ng nagmamahal sa ating pinakamamahal na birthday girl. Ang bilis naman po ng panahon. After how many years, she is now turning into a fine lady. And of course, we would like to welcome all the families and friends sa lahat po ng mga kaibigan, kaanak na nandito sa oras na ito. At sa pagkakataon kung ito ay handa natin makilala ang ating pinakamamahal na birthday girl. Ako po si Alvin Lester Magana from A11 Events and Talents Management. And this time, let me introduce first these very special people who are playing a very big role. Ang mga minamahal na kapamilya at kaanak ng ating birthday girl. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all begin with the loving brothers and sisters. Begin with Franco. Palakpakan mo. Ladies and gentlemen, the biggest round of applause for Franco. Palakpakan. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you Vince. Palakpakan mo. Together we Vincent. Gentlemen, all of you invited, eyes in front, and let us all watch the video.
Pag wala nang ilaw.
Special na lalaki sa kanyang buhay. Ladies and gentlemen, we give you Edu.
Natutuwa ako eh.
Ayun na sinasabi ko, wala pa man lang pinapakilig ko na ang lahat. At iba yung kagwapuhan mo ngayon. Excited ka ba?
Medyo kinakabahan at excited na rin.
Hindi pa po niya nakikita ang kanyang partner. At lahat po tayo ay very much excited. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is a celebration of adulthood and thanksgiving of the life God has given to our celebrant. We have watched her grow over the years into a wonderful person she is now. Mga kaibigan, heto na po ang ating pinakamamahal, the one and only birthday girl, Fiancé. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody, put up the moment.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our beautiful debutante, Fiancé.
Need the two of us together.
We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together.
Mabidyoan.
Ang isang fiancé. Alam natin po kung saan sila nagsimula. Yung mga first vlog, second vlog, alam natin talagang yung hirap na dinanas nila. Diba? Yung mother niya ay ano lang, para magkapera, naglalabandera, para magraos sa pang-araw-araw. Kaya na-scout ni Dr. Love. Kaya ngayon po, grabe, ang kanyang birthday, 18th birthday po, pag 18, debut. Ganap na po siyang dalaga. Ewan ko lang, paano may papayit sa kanya. So welcome po sa ating lahat Sa mga partners, yung iba rito galing pa sa ibang lugar. Ngayon ko nakakakita po ng tipo na ang mga guest, mga bisita po, galing sa iba't ibang probinsya. Meron po galing sa abroad. Ngayon lang, sa kalinaw lang po nangyari yung ganito. Kasi malimit po pagka may mga ganitong tipo, ang bisita mo, kapitbahay mo lang, kaibigan mo lang, sa kalinaw po, galing sa iba't ibang lugar ang mga bisita po natin. Ang nasa po lang, 400. Lahat. Yung pagkain po, 400 lang. Paano yan? May litso naman tayo. Merong 4 na litson. Thank you so much po sa mga sponsor. At yan po at maraming salamat sa ating lahat.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the father and daughter dance, palakpakan.
Tara. Lutubin natin sila.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the next rows, we have Patrick Palakpakan. Once again, we give you Franco Palakpakan. The brother of the Demigod, Palakpakan. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan naman natin ang napaka-poging kapatid ng ating birthday girl. We have Benz Harvey.
Days like these last with one another.
For the next dance, ladies and gentlemen, we give you Patrick.
With the feeling past. Would you find our way? If it all starts search the pieces. another project.
Next on the list, we have Kuya Red Sing. Palakpakan.
Just waiting to crumble. If we search the pieces, we'd be bitter humble. It's not me to deceive.
Next to dance, we have Kuya Chilo. Palakpakan.
Si Gracia pala yun. Makikiano lang kami dito.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the next dance, we have Kalingap Ian.
On the low when I was hooked, found the missing piece that made me whole. True love don't come around very often. It's like sunshine after the rain. But you know the moment it happens, everything will be okay. I hope I'm not coming on too strong, but you feel
Next rose, we have Kalingap Shomar.
finding you is just like finding, 'cause you feel like family to me. You feel like family to me. You feel like family. You're the reason I wake up with a smile and feel enough. I don't know what I would
Next, we have Sir Olives. Palakpakan.
Every day I want you more. Forever yours. Let me know it as I stand before you. Don't come around very often. It's like sunshine after the rain. But you know the moment it happens, everything will be okay. Finding you is just like finding home, 'cause you feel like family to me, You feel like
Ladies and gentlemen, we have Kalingap Dan. Palakpakan.
Wala na, wala na.
Yeah, one night with the feeling past. Would you find out if it all starts?
Next dance, we have Kalingap Gabi.
Search the pieces.
Kalingap JJ. Palakpakan.
Standing on the door, I'm on my way. A million that I should say, but I am done. Yeah, I'm done. Letting go of all my heavy load. I waited for the moment to unfold. Make me feel I'm going down.
Mga kaibigan, bago ko and only Kalingap Edu. we have our debutant, Fiancé.